Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to merge multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to merge multiple cells, first of all you have to select those cells which you want to merge. Okay, so let's suppose that if I want to merge these cells here like 1 2 3 4 and 5, I want to merge basically these 10 cells here. So I will select these 10 cells, and here at this home tab here you can see that we have merge and center option here. Okay, so if we select merge and center option here, then our alignment will be in the center. Like if we write something, it will be in the center here. So we will just click on merge and center, and now you can see that this is the whole new cell. And if we basically want to write something here, you can see that we can write in between it. So that's basically how we can merge cells in Excel. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.